What's up guys, it's Ube back again with another guitar lesson. So today we're gonna learn how to play Unaniweza by Jukes. The song is only 4 chords, very beginner friendly. So if you're in your early stages of playing guitar, this one shouldn't be a hassle to get by. Also remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, let me know on the comment area. So guys, with no further ado, let's dive in right after this. So the song is in the key of A sharp. So in this case, I will use a capo to couple the first fret so that I can play the chords that I would play when if I was playing in the key of A. So the progression is 1, 4, 6 and 5. So I will show you how to strum the song, and then also I will also talk about how you'd pick the chords for the song. So we'll first of all start with picking. So the E, the one in this case is A sharp, and it's A sharp because I've coupled the first fret. So to hold the A sharp, I am barring the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string with my pointer finger on the 2nd fret, and I'm counting the frets from this couple. So from here, 1, fret 1 and fret 2 with my pointer finger. Then okay, well, before I talk about the picking, I'll just talk about the chords. So the following after the A is the D sharp chord. So the D sharp, I am using my middle finger to place to hold, or rather I'm placing my middle finger on the 2nd fret, string number 1, my pointer finger on the 2nd fret, string number 3, and my ring finger on the 3rd fret, string number 2. So that's D sharp, and it's D sharp because of the couple. Then followed by G minor chord. So I'm using a very not common way of holding minor chords. So the G minor here, in this case, I'm using my pointer finger to bar across the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string, and then my middle, or rather my ring finger, I'm placing it on the 3rd string, fret number 5. So this is G minor. This is a variation. This is another way of holding a G minor chord, but you can also use a bar chord form to hold the G minors. So if you'd rather using the bar chord, you will place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret, bar across string 1 to 6, and then place your ring finger on the 5th string, fret 5, and your small finger on the 4th string, fret 5. So that's G minor chord. And then finally the E chord. The E chord, I am using my pointer finger. I'm placing my pointer finger on the 3rd string, fret 1, my middle finger on the 5th string, fret 2, and my ring finger on the 4th string, fret 2. So that's E sharp chord, or rather, F chord, since there's no E sharp. So the picking, I'll be using my thumb, my pointer, and my middle finger to pick. So I am picking the 4th. So at A sharp, chord A sharp, I'm picking the 4th, the 5th, and the 4th string with my thumb, and my pointer, third string, middle finger, second string, and then again pointer, third string. So that's A sharp, D sharp. So D sharp is only two notes. So in the, I'll pluck string number 3 with my thumb, and string number 4 with my thumb, and string number 2 with my pointer finger. Then G minor. So G minor is my thumb plucking string number 4, pointer with my string number 3, and then middle finger string number 2, and pointer again string number 3. So thumb, pointer, middle, pointer, and then E sharp. So for the F, I am using my thumb to pluck string number 5 and 4. A bit. So I'm using my thumb to pluck string number 5 and 4. So so the first part is string number 5 and 4, and then string number so there is like two parts. So the first part is string number 5 and 4, and then string number so with my thumb 5 thumb, 4 thumb, 1 my pointer finger string number 3, my middle finger string number 2, and then my pointer string number 3. So all together. So that's how you'd pick the chords. Strumming. So on strumming, I'll use the down, up, up, down, down, down pattern. Down, up, up, down, down, down. So A sharp. So down, up, up, down, down, down. 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 Well, so those are options of strumming or picking. So you can use any other strumming or the picking pattern, and you know, blend them to make the sound the song sound a little bit better. So guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.